I like to build excitement. I like to keep my team excited about when they come into work. We're trying to get more customers in the store. I ask for their input and I take that input and I run with it, and then when it's successful, I reward them about it. I let them know, hey, look, because of your idea, look at where we're at now, and it makes them excited. It makes them think that they can also do it. And at Pep Boys here, you can, anyone can. I get to see these guys grow and make money and be happy with the work that they do. They love and enjoy coming here. I try to have people look at the potential that they have, mostly just by listening to them, also letting them know that I want to hear their feedback on certain things. When you collect your paycheck, when you come to work, you're more happier. When you take care of a customer and they're happy about the service you provided, they get excited. You make this what you want to make it. And if you want to grow in this company, you could grow to be anything.